Attract a miracle into your life every single day. Hello everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You know, the funny thing is that people who do not believe in miracles never seem to find a miracle, never see one, never experience one. And all they can say is, miracles don't exist. But I'm here to tell you right now that I believe miracles do exist. And I also believe that you can have a miracle manifest in your life every single day. Now, let's understand that not every miracle is going to be the parting of the Red Sea. Okay? Some miracles are small, but they're still present. And some miracles you might not see right away, but you might see down the road. Look at, I know you're a high flyer. You're soaring high like a beautiful eagle. And so you deserve to share and participate and enjoy miracles in your life. Oh, I'm feeling good right now. Hold on just a moment. I'm feeling someone out there about ready to claim a miracle in their life. Somebody right now is suffering from something internally, emotionally, a deep emotional scar. I want you to claim a miracle in your life. Claim the healing that you deserve. Look at, you are a co-creator of your reality. The God force energy flows through you, as well as you being enveloped in the light. So it's all around you and it's completely in you. You have the power to invoke miracles in your life without any doubt. I'm going to give you now a simple method that you can use to attract miracles daily. I mean, every single day in your life. And if you don't see a miracle every single day, then you're not looking hard enough, okay? So here's what I have. You may remember this formula from a previous video that we did. Here we're using the word miracle. I've also created it on this side a little bit larger, whichever is easiest for you. Now you can create this or compose this on your computer, or you can do it by hand and then take it down and have it laminated, or if you have your own laminating machine, because you want to use it over and over again. And then what I do is I simply put a purple candle right here at the A, the alpha, the beginning. Purple is a very high vibrational energy. So I have this setting on a table or on my desk. I have a purple candle in the center. And then I simply stare at it. I look at it. And I breathe deep in through my nose and out through my mouth. And as I stare at the candle, I say these words, this affirmation: today I will see a miracle in my life. Now, if you do it in the evening, you can say, tomorrow I will see a miracle in my life. I want you to give it at least 10 minutes, preferably 20 minutes. Focus on breath. Focus on that affirmation. over and over, today I will see a miracle in my life. Expect it. Positive expectation is absolutely important when it comes to manifesting miracles in your life. Something special is going to happen today. A phone call, an offer, an old friend show up with something special. I don't know what it's going to be. Maybe it's all of a sudden you're just going to feel better. You're going to stop limping. I don't know. I can't tell you. But you're going to experience a miracle in your life. And you write down the miracle in a little booklet. Call it your miracle book. Write it down. Maybe a little small miracle. Maybe a big miracle. Write it down. And then the next day, do the same meditation and expect another miracle. What happens is, as you get in the habit of seeing miracles with your eyes and experiencing them, the universe starts to match you. That's how the law of attraction works. That's why people that don't believe in miracles, they never see them. And people that do, see them every single day. Today is your day. Say it. Today is my day for my miracle. Okay, try this technique. If you have questions, be sure and write them down. I'll be certain to answer them. And thank you so much for subscribing and clicking the bell icon, because we go live all the time and we're always here to answer your questions on personal empowerment and the law of attraction. You have a great day now, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.